You may be aware of a concept called Kaizen, which is extremely popular in the manufacturing world, and it's the methodology of continuous improvement. And that is exactly how we approach working with clients. So we're not just a tech provider that collects feedback. Obviously the data is really important because that allows you to bring a lens to the business and understand what's working, what's not working. But the true value is how you approach that data. And our approach to that data is through a methodology, we call it CAP, and it stands for Continuous Actions Process. And it follows the same principle as Kaizen, and it's all about following that process of continuous improvement journey. Little tweaks along the way, little improvements, but in order to do continuous improvement, you need to know in the first place what needs to be improved. What are the areas of opportunity? Where are we missing the mark? So understand that first, then plan a change, and that can quite often be on a small scale. So we work with some large enterprise clients where it's important to do a control change over, across a few sites, and then measure the success of that change, make any tweaks, learn from it, test, and then roll it out across the group. And in order to do that successfully, you have to analyze and understand the data every step of the way. And that's exactly what we do. It's all about how do we help brands deliver continuous improvement and just get better and better at what they do.